right, fam. As you can see, I'm replacing the old fan that went out on us. I've already taken the old one out, put the new one in. So now I just gotta bolt it down. I want to go make sure it works first before I put all the weatherproofing on it. I've got this to put on it to seal all around the edges and the bolt holes to make it fully waterproof. But this is what my Saturday morning is doing. But the weather's nice before it gets too hot. But I am already sweating. This is what the new one looks like inside. I just came inside and I'm now going to do the electrical hookups. Power is secured because it's fed off of this switch right here, which is off. So safety first. So I'll do those connections first, then I'll power it up and make sure it's good. And I've already got the bevel from the last one already pre-cut to the right size I need. So I can just set that back in there and not use the other one. I have to cut it. So just clean this one up and put it back up there. And hopefully that'll be a wrap. And then I'll take all the spare parts from the old one and just save them somewhere so if I ever need them. Like for example, if this motor goes out, or if I need the new lid, if the lid cracks, whatever, I can just easily swap out the lid. Or even the fan motor itself, I believe, is interchangeable. But okay. All right, fam, it looks like it's working. It's a little bit different. The remote's a little bit different. This is the new remote versus this is the old remote. So that's the fan off, and lowering the lid. And there you have it. Now all I need to do is insulate those wires here, put them up in there, and then put the cover back on and be done. This is the fan in operation. It gives you all the indications on the remote. I can increase the speed 40%, 50%, 60, back down, and I can turn the power, I can turn the fan off, and I can turn the power off and close it. And it's pretty neat because if it catches water from a rainstorm, it will close automatically and turn off.